Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Osiberu, a professional full-time makeup artist and a YouTuber based in the city of Lagos, Nigeria. A round of applause please. So today I'm going to be trying the viral pink under eye look. For the first time. I do not like to try new things on my clients because there will not be a second chance to change anything if it did not go well. My best bet would be to either try it on a model or myself. Trying new products on a model kind of gives me first-hand experience how each product applies, but it will not give me the full experience. After one or two poses, which sometimes will last for about 1 hour or 2 hours depending on what we are going for, right? And the model will have to take that makeup out, which makes trying the product on myself the safest bet for me. So chances are I'm going to be wearing for 8 to 12 hours. I have first-hand experience how the product works. I also have the entire experience of how the product works if I'm wearing for 12 hours. So yeah, with that being said, we're trying the pink under eye look today. Do I have a pink under eye setting powder? No. I want to try it with some of my pink blushes, something to just have like a pink under eye base to see how that would be, and I hope and I pray that it wish me luck. So I've gone ahead to do my skin prep, and it's the same vanilla skin active to cleanse my face with this serum here, Blossom Moisturizer Miss Metis Primer. I'm going to go ahead to do my foundation. Because the concentration is the pink under eye, I'm going to be skipping a lot of steps, which I feel like I have done a lot on my channel here. Most of the times I do less foundation. These two shades from the House of Tara, mix that up. It's just like taking 2 pumps of a particular shade. So I did 1 pump each, tiny pumps like this. You see that? You see the way that this covers up? Don't just stamp it on your face. A little of a good product goes a very long way. I say it all the time. So for me, that I have spots that I would like to conceal, I concentrate on the spots first and stamp. So you see the way that I'm doing that. Again, brush also helps. If you're applying your foundation with a brush, it gives a fuller coverage effect. You see the way it covered now? Good. So I'm just going to go ahead and use whatever is left on my hand to go over my face. Look at that. So when I come to my forehead like this, I just swirl it like this because I do not like product on my forehead. Whatever is left on the brush, that's because brushes are going to come on top of that side, so I don't need too much foundation around this. I will also go here, like I said in my last video, make sure that product gets here, very important, so that you don't look funny after the makeup. See the way please give House of Tara the flowers. Every time I use this particular foundation from the House of Tara, I feel so good. It's almost like an everyday love. I love this product every day. This is in real time, and I'm not staying in front of any light. This is just in front of my window, and there's no sun whatsoever, so that you don't think that the sun is putting some sort of radiance on me. No, there's no sun. It's just in front of the door. Look at that. It's full coverage. I'm just going to speed up with this makeup process here. So I'm trying to cover up here. I have one spot there, though not visibly visible, but yeah. I'm going to go to this beauty concealer here. Although this looks bright, sorry, let me just blend out this one. Now It's really bright. This can serve as my second concealer, but this one is a bit not so light. Okay. To diffuse it, I'm just gonna put it here and my forehead, tiny bit, cupid's bow, a cupid's bow or the chin, and yeah. We're going in with a beauty blender, so I'm not waiting for anything to dry, so I'm just going to blend that in quickly. So when you see my videos, it's not like you know, I'm adding speed to my videos, because when you're doing your makeup, be fast. Don't have all day, especially when you're going somewhere. So this is the first concealer. So for me, I don't like to do that whole bridge of the nose placement of concealer, so I use what is left here to just go over my nose like this. So let's not forget that we've not done contour, so I'm going to go ahead and contour my face now. This is where it starts getting interesting. We are now going to do the blush. I'm going to be using this Beauty by AD blush. I'm mixing these two shades. So this is more, you know, I'm going to pick it up with a beauty blender and place it here, like directly under my eye, not like under here. Just here, right? Yeah, I think we're getting there. And then do for this side as well. Yeah. So what I'm going to do at this point is to extend what is left on this my brush, on this my beauty blender. Please, I'm trying this for the first time, don't come for me. I'm going to extend it here. Yeah, and that's because of the shade of the blush, so it's very light. So I'm going to extend it here, and then probably my nose, this part of my nose. So we're getting pinky. I think I'm gonna love this. I think so. I'm gonna love this. I look like a walking filter. God, this is really beautiful. I knew I was going to love this. I knew I was going to love it. I kid you not. Now I'm adding directly, taking this and adding it here. God, please. Let's go. Please. Okay, so what I'm going to do, which I think is what I should do, is take the deep color and add on the outer part of my this deep pink. Or should I do a bit of an orange? Yeah, no, maybe I shouldn't. I'm going to take that and put on top of that. So I'm going to take that, buff that out and put it here. Not here. The pigment we want here is quite enough, so I'm going to put it here. Oh, hey, I wish you can see this in real time. Like, it's so beautiful. It's very, very fine. Ay. Okay. You see why I like this Beauty by AD products? It's so blendable. We're getting there. So because we're going to put another layer of concealer there, so I'll just use what is left here again to go over here. It's not going to be as deep as the one I put on the apples of my cheek, but it's gonna pink. And then I go here again. First of all, this is not the Painted by Esther technique. I just want to do the pink under eye thing. So before people come and tell me that I don't know anything, so Joe. I think this concealer is okay. By the way, this is Adventure Concealer. Yeah, I have it somewhere, so I just picked it up. In the shade 02. It's quite brighter than the first one that I used anyways from Avor. So I'm going to use the same side that I used to blend the blush. Yeah. Okay. Okay. I don't know if I'm okay. First try, okay? We're trying it for the first time today. I think we should do a little bit more of the concealer. Let's add small concealer again, because I don't know, maybe because I'm trying for the first time. Okay. I think this is a lot better than the way it was before. Yeah. Okay. You know what? We're just gonna go ahead and set. Hey Pinky, let's use this Jedris powder in Snowy to first set the under eye. So we're gonna set that. Wish me luck. You know what? What's the worst that will happen? It will not be nice and I think I should come up close. It's coming together. Yeah, something like that. It's nice. I think even the pink disappeared for a bit. Okay. I love it. This is what we're currently looking like, and I feel like this camera is not doing justice, because if I'm looking at it here, I'm seeing all the pinks. The under eye pink is more okay. So I think this House of Tara blush palette will be very handy today. I'm going to be using this lavender color here. Sit here. Stump. Okay. Stump. Okay. We'll go in. You notice what I'm doing, so I'm going to pick that up, buff it out, and stamp. Then whatever is left on the brush, I go in with it. So the idea is to be pink. I look like a walking filter, y'all. Like, what? You wouldn't tell me. This is really beautiful. I love it. And you should try it. Like, I'm telling you that this looks better in person. Yes. It looks really nice. See, I love it when I do a good makeup, and you know I eat down every time. No, This is really beautiful. So before you go, please go ahead to like my videos, comment on this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you are not. We're just few numbers away from 1,000, so let's go ahead. I know that my beautiful face is distressing you, but please go ahead, like this video. I love you.